YouTube? It's your boy JB, Mr. Major Man, Mr. 504 Jeezy from the Big Easy Hill. Welcome y'all back to the showroom, and today I got an unboxing for y'all. And if y'all did look at my last video, I said I was probably going to chop up a certain amount of videos. That way I could give each of these collections their just due. Just because a lot of these hats are dope, but they have their own theme, and I don't think bunching all of them up in the same video is going to be actually doing them justice for the most part. So I thought I'd just chop them up. That way, if there's a particular collection you're looking for, you could actually go to that video and see that collection for itself in its entirety, instead of me actually just bunching it with a whole bunch of other hats like I usually do on my on my other segments that I have. But let's go ahead and get into this one. And this one in particular is the Crown Royal pack, and I was able to secure two of them. This one right here, let's go ahead and get into this one. I actually wanted this one just because, bam, this was probably my second favorite out that pack. The Arizona Diamondbacks, as y'all can see right there. We have a completely, we have a two-tone done in black and purple, as y'all can see right there. And we do have that beautiful Diamondback Copperhead snake right here, and as y'all can see right there, it is all gold, have little hints of purple going along there. I hope you're getting the detail of this right here. Very nice in my personal opinion. Like, and look, it's very symbolic. You know, a lot of people bought this hat because they wanted to pair it up with Black Mamba apparel, and Lakers being purple and gold, it was a very fitting hat for the most part, and I actually did go for it for the same reason. So happy to have this one. I think this was probably one of the GR versions of this hat. But as y'all can see, we do have a light purple New Era logo on the side. We also have a gold Batman on the back, as y'all can see right there, and raised Batman. And we also had that Diamondbacks inaugural season side patch right there. Not one of my favorites, but I mean, if it meant that's what we had to do to get the snakehead logo, then it was what it was. I don't have a problem with them doing sometimes doing the front patch matching the side patch. It is what it is. And on the under, we have that light purple as well, that Regal purple. We got a Royal and Regal purple on these. And then on the inside, we do have white guts, and we do have all the tagging and labeling on there. Very, very nice in my personal opinion. Super dope that they were able to do this one. Had to have this one in the collection. But for the most part, my collection would have been incomplete had I not got this one. Bam! It is the LA Dodgers 5950, and I couldn't get this one on this hat drop. I actually had to reach out and get a proxy. Somebody actually assisted me on this one, so shout out to them. They gave me a very fair price. This actually came all the way from Hawaii. Like, that's the crazy part about it. So I'm surprised that he was willing to even ship it that far like that for me. But these actually showed up in some stores too. I think these, being that these were supposed to drop online, these actually wind up getting released to Lidshd store. So some people were actually able to go to Lidshd and buy it from the store, like I said, because it does have the Lidshd store tag on there on the bottom of it. But this hat, same as the other, same color scheme, nothing has changed other than it has my favorite patch, the 100th anniversary patch on here as well, done up in gold and purple. And as y'all can see, we do have the two different types of purple, differentiated and everything on there. Very, very nice, not overdoing it. And we also have that same purple undervisor. And like I said, nothing has changed about it. I'm happy they did go with the two-tone. I mean, the LA logo with the double outline on there, because it does have that light purple and black going on in there as well. Very, very nice in my personal opinion. But let me know if this pack was something that y'all really went after, or did y'all miss out, or would you see yourself paying resale on any of these? But like I said, I definitely needed both of them for the most part, considering that, you know, Kobe's my favorite player. He's my dog. I had to get this one. It matched a lot of things in his Hall of Fame year. Stuff came out, so I definitely needed to get this in the collection. But let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. As always, stay true, stay fly, stay blessed. I'm JC Baby, and we're in the showroom, and I'm out. You dig?